Hey, what's up everyone? The Xperia 17 is about to drop, and here's everything we know from the leaks and rumors. 6.5-inch 4K HDR OLED with a buttery smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Get ready for some serious visual magic. Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite, a beast for performance and efficiency, up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB storage, plus microSD support up to 1 TB. That's a lot of space. A triple setup, 48 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 12 megapixel telephoto, and a 32 megapixel front cam for the ultimate selfies. 5000 mAh with 65W fast charging and wireless charging. Say goodbye to long charging times, high-res audio, stereo speakers, and yes, a 3.5mm headphone jack. Sony knows what we need. Android 15 with Sony's custom UI. 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC, all the essentials for a seamless experience. IP68 water and dust resistance with a sleek look and multiple color options. Stay tuned! The official reveal is coming in May 2025 and it's gonna be lit. Don't miss out!